To determine that alignment, we look at the sponsor for a particular deal and how that impacts the investment. Evaluating a sponsor on a standalone basis is also key. We like to throw around the term sponsor, but who actually are the sponsors? A sponsor is an individual or company in charge of finding, acquiring, and managing the real estate property on behalf of the partnership. In the context of a DST, the sponsor is the entity that has created the DST and solicited investors. The sponsor of a DST will typically act as the trustee for the DST, as well as maintain control over the master tenant. For their services, sponsors will collect fees which are built into the offering. The sponsor puts the passive in passive real estate investing. The sponsor is why DST investors do not have to worry about managing properties or obtaining financing. According to industry reports, there are more than 40 active sponsors in the DST space, with many others expected to come to market in the next 6 to 12 months. Typically, sponsors have a long track record in real estate. With the record growth we've seen in the DST market over the recent years, many firms saw an opportunity to bring their institutional grade products to the retail investor market. DSTs and the 1031 syndication business offer an opportunity for both sponsors and investors to have access to these types of assets. For the reasons I just outlined, you can see the need to take a deep dive into each sponsor. There are a number of ways to evaluate the strength of a sponsor and therefore the strength behind your investment. Here are some factors we consider when evaluating a sponsor and potential risk. Length of track record. A longer history gives better insight into the track record of a sponsor. This is not to say that those relatively new to the field are not competent to handle investments, but it does require some more research. Economic cycles. How a sponsor managed investments during a recession is more telling than how they perform when markets are up. Asset class. Whether you're purchasing a beneficial interest in an apartment building, hotel, office building, or some other real estate asset, your sponsor should have a proven success with the same type of asset you're considering. Size and financial strength. Sponsors with experienced teams and larger operations tend to be better equipped to locate, analyze, and manage their properties. Larger sponsors also tend to benefit from economies of scale, which can reduce the cost for investors. In addition to sponsor track record, we are also digging into how the sponsor structures the deal, comparing fees with similar offerings.
Without structure and market analysis, it is difficult to get a full picture of the investment. A tool our research team has been focused on is a simulator to evaluate sponsor projections and compare them to historic market rent growth data to evaluate the impact on cash flow and investor returns. It can run thousands of potential scenarios through the master lease structure to show how the master lease impacts investor returns in each scenario. Here you can see an example of the output with the potential range in distributions throughout the projected hold period. The comparison between the sponsor projections and the historic market data can be an indicator of how conservative or aggressive the projections are. Examination of the structure allows us to determine whether investors are being fairly compensated for the level of risk associated with each deal.
Evaluating the sponsor is equally as critical as evaluating the asset. A sponsor is responsible for structuring the debt on the property or portfolio and responsible for setting up the property management. Most DSTs have what is known as the master lease, and the sponsor or an affiliate of the sponsor will be the master tenant. The master tenant makes payments to the DST, and the master tenant pays the base rent, which is usually comprised of debt service payments and all expenses associated with the ownership. To determine whether the sponsor would be a good choice for our investors, we track multiple variables including full cycle deals, average performance numbers such as targeted distributions versus actual distributions to investors, and number of years the company has been in operation and their experience with the DST offerings. We compare these numbers to industry indexes and our internally produced sponsor performance review.